Today's episode, we look at unplanned yet very productive changes to the SCX10 Revamped. Hey, I am Joe, and this is Moosejaw RC. Thanks for watching Moosejaw RC, and today is episode 3 of the Axial SCX10 Revamp, but we can't call it an SCX10 anymore, and I'll explain that in a moment. It was totally unplanned, but I'm very excited to share with you how it actually all worked out. Hope you are enjoying my channel. I am having a lot of fun and enjoyment in the thought process of creating engaging videos for you, or even for myself, or whoever cares to watch it, and I hope you are really enjoying this channel. Please share it with your friends. And by hitting like or dislike, subscribing, commenting, or hitting that notification bell, that just makes this channel grow even more. So now the unplanned change to this SCX10. I recently acquired some Vanquish axles for my 1.9 Wraith build, and with that I had some leftover perfectly fine SCX10 2 axles, pretty much new, and I didn't know what to do with them. Was I going to sell them? Was I just going to keep them because they weren't pretty good? And then I start looking at this build and going, I wonder if that works. And I didn't even research it. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of research out there for it, but I went for it, and lo and behold, it worked. Already having the SCX10 2 links from Incision, I knew it was all there. I did change out the stock old SCX10 skid plate, but the 2 is the exact same measurements and everything. So all of a sudden now I have new plastic, new parts, new everything on this build. And who knew that would happen? I didn't. I had no clue. The only hiccup with this build was the Panhard link mount, because of this flat chassis, all I had was the Vanquish aftermarket SCX10 chassis mount, servo mount, and it seems like it's a little longer, and from what I understand, a longer Panhard link compared to your servo link should be exactly the same. This is a little bit longer, but I haven't noticed any difference so far. In fact, I think it's improved the steering ratio, so the steering radius, and I can't be more than happy. I really did want to keep it in SCX10. I think SCX10, the old school ones, are still maybe even better than some that are being produced out there right now from other companies, but opportunity came and I went for it, and I'm glad I did.
Opportunity is everything.
Exactly. So the question is, have you ever converted axles or anything on any brand, any build, and was pleasantly surprised that it worked? What was it that you did? And share it, comment below, and share with others, so maybe they'll have the guts to the bravery to do it. Because we all know when you do something, there's a domino effect. It could go terribly wrong, or it'll work, but now you have to change this, and then you have to change that, and then just domino. This was like a one-time thing. So now that performance is pretty much set, there's probably some other little things that are scale and performance I'm going to add to this, like maybe beef patties, the brass in the front and aluminum in the back. I do like those scale items. But the next thing is to add other scale items that you would find on a regular truck. And with this, I added some Axial parts. The wipers are from the Axial UMG. They're kind of large, but they do work really nice. I like that. Also, a lot of parts trees from Axial that I had left over. The steering wheel, the shifting knob, and also the door handles. The bumpers have come from a Blazer K5 Chevy that work perfect for this. You also see that there's a little reflector. I just transparent orange from Tamiya, and then just put a little shoe go on there to put it there. I also have the exhaust that I made out of some tubing from my local hobby store. It's metal, so it can handle if it does get hit by a rock, I still have to do the second side to make it dual exhaust. Even in the interior, we have door handles, you know, window handle and a little armrest and so forth that we would put in. Again, these are all from Axial type stuff. My locking hubs are SSDs. I haven't used the RC four-wheel drives yet. I would like to. I just haven't done it because you need a special tool to take it off and on, and I have the tool for the SSDs, and it's an easy fix, but I haven't done that yet. Another thing I did was I found some letters from Hobby Lobby, of all places. Decided to turn this Dodge, here's another thing we're going to change the Dodge into a Plymouth Trail Duster. It's pretty much the same body. And yeah, I put it on the grill, not on the hood that you would normally find it, but I did see a picture of a 1-1 truck Trail Duster with the actual lettering on the grill. Plus, I want to protect the lettering, so that little stinger there from the bumper helps protect from the rocks. Another thing I did was I masked off what would be the weather stripping of the windshield, and also the triangles pop-out window as well. I like doing it on the outside because it gives depth, just a little bit of depth to the body and realism. I did see this on a 1.1 rig, you know, instead of chrome, I did see it just kind of all black, and I like the look of it, so I went with that as well. To recap, also the sliders are from a SCX10 to JK body, and I reshaped them though so that it kind of conformed more to what would be realism, and they work great. They also tuck in that little bit of the body in to give it some more shape as well. And then also the Gen 8 mirrors that I ordered from Red Cat. Again, black hardware, look great, and perfect shape and era appropriate, I believe, you know, as far as I looked at other images. And I love how they fold in so you don't break them off, but they're actually pretty tough. Another thing I'm going to add is a gas cap, and I'll actually use the decal from Proline to put on top of it. I've done it before, I've done it on my Red Cat. I like the way it looks. I could get maybe more scale geeky, but just combining a sticker with some little round plastic that I'll make and then shoe going in was perfect. I just can't do it yet. I'm waiting for an item and some help on getting some graphics on this, but I have to wait. I have to wait till I get that first before I stick things on it, and then try to shape a sticker around. That'd be wrong. Well, that's it, folks, for this week's Vlog 3 on the SCX10 revamped Dodge Ram Charger, now SCX10 2 Plymouth Trail Duster build that I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed it. Next week, we're going to look on adding scale items that you would put in your truck. And if you have any suggestions, please leave a comment on things that are maybe unique. Maybe it won't get too strange out there, but what you leave in your truck at any given time. Say it! Say it! I remember a day I used to play hockey. I always had hockey equipment wherever I went. And so I don't know. I might have to put that in there somewhere. But please let us know. Also, hit like, dislike, comment, subscribe, notifications, anything, please. I would love to hear from you and how you're enjoying this channel. Please catch me on Instagram. I'm Moosejaw Joe there, and also on Scale Builders Guild, Moosejaw 14. Other than that, I will be this weekend at Crawl for a Cure. I gotta wake up early in the morning and get everything loaded up here tonight, and we're gonna have some fun. So if you're there, say hi, and I would love to meet you. All right, have a great day.